Hi everyone, I'm Shakira from Careers Portal, and today we'll be discussing what CACH is and how it is used to get into university and college. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you need about studying and your future career. If you were not given a space at college or university when you applied, you still have a chance to get into university or college through the CACH. CACH stands for Central Applications Clearinghouse and is an integrated referral service for post-school education and training institutions and students. The beginning of the year means people are now scrambling to find a place to study, and with CACH, it's still possible. Perhaps you didn't get offered a place or your results were better than you expected and you now want to study. This is where CACH steps in. Through CACH, you can receive career advice, referral to other opportunities such as being referred to other universities, TVET colleges, artisan development opportunities, and other possibilities. They'll also help you if you're not sure about where you should study or which career you want to go into. CACH also works to ensure that students do not become victims of bogus institutions. You can access CACH in various ways once it opens applications. You can head to the CACH website by going to cache.ac.za, or you can sign up to CACH using the WhatsApp chatbot at 078 776 8660. You can also dial *134 *225# and reach them on Facebook. Individuals signing up will need to capture their details, including the field of study and program choice, as well as accept and reject offers on the CACH system. The information you provide will be kept confidential, so you won't have to worry about that. Comment down below why you want to study, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.